family. Y'all haven't seen my face in like forever. I haven't really been focusing on YouTube like that, and recently I just started uploading some shorts. I was like, I miss YouTube. Like, I miss like the interactions with all of my subscribers. But anyways, you guys, I don't know the last time that I talked to you. I'm gonna say that I sold my salon. In the video when I was vlogging about selling my salon, I said that I was gonna show you guys my little nail suite. I've been here for like a year now. My 1-year anniversary was actually a couple of days ago, and I am so happy with the place. Let's not ramble on because I feel like I always ramble when I get nervous. So let's go check out the suite. Okay guys, so when you first walk in, you're gonna see my desk and my pedicure chair. This desk, I got it on Amazon. Both chairs also from Amazon. Pedicure chair, it comes with the suite. On this side, you're gonna see the mirror, the famous mirror. I absolutely love this. On this side, you're gonna see like my license and everything. This is the door. I got this little privacy protective film on Amazon as well. I'm gonna link everything down below for you guys. I like this so much better because I feel like once I open the curtains up the way it is now, it makes the room a lot bigger. And then plus with this little privacy screen, I did it on both sides, so you don't really see who's in here. I mean, you see like shadows, but you won't be able to see like their actual face. And then over here, I got more curtains for this door because there's a room next door. And my towel warmer, my complimentary water, which the fridge just turned on. I don't know if you guys can hear that. And my little plant, I got this from Home Goods. Both of them, I believe I got it at Home Goods. Oh, and then I got this chalkboard. My clients, they signed it. Well, some of them signed it. You know, it says Best Nail Tech, no one better than Nana. My husband signed it for better or worse. And then here you're gonna see my sink, barbicide, gotta have that. And these cabinets, they're pretty big and they fill up really fast, which I absolutely love because I need the storage because I like to hoard things. I don't know why. Here I have all of my little wall frames that I kind of want to put on the wall, but everybody said they like it that it's up there. My little plant from Target. Here's up close of my pedicure chair. I don't really like the color because it doesn't really go with the theme of my suite, which I'm trying to do like black, white, and gold. My little pedicure card, all of my stuff that I use, and my little lamp. Some polishes that I need to put on the wall. Here's my little polish rack. I got these on Amazon. I love these. These are pretty sturdy. I'm gonna link it down below for you guys. And I need to order some more so that way I could put the rest of these polish up there. Here's my sign, so cute. And then on this side, you'll see like some more storage and stuff. Here's my desk. I got this moon lamp on Amazon. Like I said, I will link everything down below for you guys. My little TV, my iPad. Clearly you can see that I don't have a TV in the room, so my clients are watching like Netflix and stuff on my iPad temporarily until I get a TV. But I'm not really sure if I want a TV or not because I listen to music most of the time. I don't really watch TV like that. But yeah, anyways, if you guys want to see a tour of my desk, let me know down in the comments. My suite, I just wanted to show you guys really quick. I'm about to start cleaning up and work on my clients for the day. So I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.